Building digital presence, a step-by-step guide to creating a business website. In today's digital age, having a website is indispensable for any business aiming to maintain a competitive edge. It's a pivotal platform where potential customers can learn about your services, products, and the ethos of your brand. Here's a step-by-step guide on creating a business website to establish a robust online presence. Define your purpose and goals. Determine the primary purpose of your website. Whether it's for selling products, showcasing your portfolio, or providing information, having clear goals will guide the design process. Choose a domain name. Select a memorable and relevant domain name that reflects your brand. Ensure it's easy to spell and remember. Register your domain and register your chosen domain through a registrar. And choose a reliable hosting provider to store your website files. Plan your website structure. Outline essential pages and features your website will have. Common pages include home, about us, services or products, blog, and contact us. Design your website. Either hire a professional web designer or use website building platforms like WordPress, Wix, or Squarespace to design your site. Ensure the design aligns with your brand aesthetics. Develop content. Craft compelling content that communicates your brand message, informs visitors, and prompts action. Include keywords for SEO search engine optimization to enhance visibility online. Optimize for mobile. Ensure your website is responsive and mobile-friendly to cater to users on various devices. SEO. Implement basic SEO practices such as meta descriptions, alt tags, and header tags. Consider consulting an SEO expert for better results. Test your website. Before going live, test your website across different browsers and devices to ensure everything works seamlessly. Launch your website. Once satisfied, make your website live. Announce the launch through social media, email, marketing, and other channels to attract visitors. Monitor and analyze. Utilize tools like Google Analytics to monitor website traffic, user behavior, and other vital metrics. Maintain and update. Regularly update your website content, ensure it's secure, and make necessary adjustments based on user feedback and analytics data. Promote your website. Engage in ongoing online marketing strategies such as social media marketing, email marketing, and paid advertising to drive traffic and convert visitors. Creating a business website is a dynamic process that doesn't end at launch. Continuous maintenance, analysis, and promotion are crucial for keeping your website relevant, secure, and effective in fulfilling your business objectives. The steps outlined above provide a structured pathway for entrepreneurs and business owners to navigate the complexities of website creation, ensuring a well-designed, user-friendly, and effective online presence that resonates with their brand identity and business goals.